हेलो चिल्ड्रन। तो लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने ये देखा कि मेमोरी क्या होता है, एंड वी आल्सो कंपेयर्ड ह्यूमन मेमोरी फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी, and we differentiated between the functionalities of human memory and computer memory. Today we will see how memories work, what are the types of memory, and memory's functionalities. Uh, so what is a computer memory? If we define in terms of computers, the computer memory is a physical device capable of storing information temporarily, like RAM, that is random access memory, or permanently in terms of ROM, that is read-only memory. Now, there are, by the definition clear, there are two types of memories. One is permanent memory and one is temporary memory. As we have already discussed in the previous classes, that computer memories are totally dependent on electricity. So, if there is no electricity, it is possible that you are not able to access the memory. There are two cases. One is temporary memory, one is permanent memory. So now in the next point we will discuss about that also, that what are the types of memory. Okay, before we start, what are the types of memory? I will repeat the definition again. Computer memory is a physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanently. Okay, now memories. How many types of memories are there? So memories are basically divided into two categories. One is primary memory and second is secondary memory. Primary memory, that is internal memory, which is based on CPU, that is registers, on chip and cache memories. Then other one is RAM, where RAMs are also of three types, that is DDR RAM, SDRAM, and then RAM, and again one more permanent memory which is located in a primary memory section is called ROM, that is PROM, EPROM, EPPROM. So we will discuss about all the parts of these memories in details. But first we will see the second type of memory, that is, we call it as a permanent memory also. It is called secondary memory or external memory. External memory is like magnetic tapes, magnetic disc, optical disc. Now you may not be able to identify what are magnetic tapes, magnetic disc or optical disc. We will discuss that also in detail. But first of all, we will see that what is the difference between primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory is a memory which is allocated or mounted in the chip that we call as the mother chip, motherboard. That motherboard is mounted. All those memories which is mounted permanently and which cannot be removed and which only functions with the help of electricity. Okay, and which can only store memory till the electricity is supplied, and that is called primary memory. We cannot remove that memory, we cannot replace that memory, and without that memory, that is primary memory, without primary memory, the computers will not work. Anyways, none of the memory, without any type of memory, computer will not work. But still, we say that primary memory is the basic necessity of the memory allocation of the computers. Now, what is this memory? Secondary memory. So secondary memory is a type of memory which has a tendency to store the data permanently for long period of time, and it can store the data or information